Hello, my name is Sorelia Williams, and the course is Scalable Data Infrastructures. The term is 1306, and this is Project 3. Today I'm going to be discussing your Project 3 and some of the details within it and what it took to complete this project. One of the first things to discuss is the fact that we didn't have a flow chart this time. Actually, for me, it went okay. I was able to use some of the details learned for Project 2 as far as following a flow chart, as well as some of the flow chart details that were brought up in the online class video recording. So I was able to use some of those details to help complete my flowchart and to make it match what I was doing as far as the coding goes. I will say I don't think it was easier to work with fewer constraints. I feel like it was a little bit harder because I actually had to, reach to be able to make it flow with the flow chart, the coding to flow with the flow chart, and had to think outside the box a little bit instead of just doing the coding according to what was already told to me. So I do believe it was a little bit harder this time around, but hopefully I did okay on that part. As far as the story, the question was asked, did I get to tell an interesting story? I actually stuck with the story that I've been using throughout the first two projects, and that was video game playing, because I was able to build on the things that I was learning throughout each project and kind of add to it and manipulate some things. So that kind of helped when going with this new project, having the new item of building your own flowchart using certain items. So I guess you can say the story was interesting. It flowed, and I was able to do some code with it. So it did work out for me. In conclusion, I did learn quite a bit this project, and the flowchart detail. It did take some time to get used to, but it was a good learning opportunity for me and something I know I'm going to be using again. All right, thank you so much.